Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tarrant County in north central Texas until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Colleyville, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bedford, Hurst, and North Richland Hills around 10:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Richland Hills around at 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current